Spring is in the air, and that means it's the perfect time to swing by Seattle Goodwill and get everything you need for outdoor entertaining, including what to wear. And our guide to fun in the sun, DIY guy Gary Foy. Okay, Gary, the sun is finally out around here. What are we gonna do?
Luau!
Luau, I love it!
We've got all these items here at Goodwill. This bamboo, little bar, all the tools, and you need something to cook food with.
So what do you do?
If you have a patio-style living, you don't have a big backyard, I built this homemade hibachi.
Really? You made this yourself?
I made it myself. Terracotta pot,
okay.
Rocks, and then sterno. Sterno's great because it's a clean burning fuel.
You've got lots of party supplies here.
Yeah, we do have a lot of party supplies. We carry new and used items.
Those are Hawaiian shirts, and I love them.
Yes, I do too. You know, we carry so many Hawaiian shirts at all of our stores.
Okay, so here's a fashion question for you, Gary.
Yes.
It's kind of too cold to wear shorts.
Yeah.
To your barbecue, so what are you gonna wear?
Distressed denim.
Distressed denim.
Distressed denim.
Goodwill has tons of denim at great prices.
We got 3 styles we're gonna cover today. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, first one is Fringe Denim. Super cute, adds a lot of flavor and fluff. Stair-step denim. Really fun to do, really easy, super fashion forward right now. And then the classic distressed denim, where we're gonna add our own holes and then do a little fringy on the bottom. And then you can apply this same thing to denim jackets and denim shirts. As you can see, I did it here, did it all on the front of here. Malia, in order to do this, super simple. All we need is chalk, a razor blade, some masking tape, and scissors, some tweezers, and sandpaper.
First up, how to get that classic distressed denim look.
To create this big part, it takes a lot of little lines. So I do a little bit of chalk so I know where I'm going. And then as I want it maybe to taper down to get smaller, I want to do smaller lines. All right, so you've made your marks with your chalk and you got about no more than an inch. Grab yourself a razor blade. You're gonna wanna follow that line you just made.
I did it.
After that, you should have your holes ready to go. Then you wanna take your fingers, you wanna rough it up.
Okay.
And once you do that, grab yourself some tweezers.
All right.
And if you can see here, I just pull it out. See that right there? I just pulled out the denim.
Gary, what do you think of my distressing so far?
That looks really good, Malia. So here's some sandpaper for you.
All right, we're gonna rough it up.
You're gonna rough it up.
What's the end result like?
So the end result for denim definitely looks like this.
Super fashion forward.
Super fashion forward.
Dress it up, dress it down.
Dress it up, dress it down.
How do we make that cool stair step style?
I'm gonna show you right now. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna cut off this bottom of the denim.
Boom.
Boom, perfect. I'm gonna go 2 inches on mine.
Okay.
Okay, you see where that seam is inside there? I wanna keep inside there, I don't wanna cut that off. And just cut up to that line and then we're gonna cut across.
Okay, I can do that. I mean, you could basically do these on your way out the door to go out for the evening.
All right, now we're just gonna rough it up. Yeah, exactly. Stair-step denim, complete.
The final technique was on the fringe.
So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna cut off the hem first. Then you wanna take a ruler and you wanna mark it 3 inches from where you cut, right? And then you're gonna grab masking tape, made a mark there. So grab your scissors and you wanna cut little tiny strips. So the smaller you cut, the more the fringe will be. I like to do both sides at the same time, right?
What?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
I'm a little insane like that.
Nice. That is cool.
So now you've got yourself some awesome fringy denim. So you grab it, throw it in the washer and dryer, and you get something like this.
Gary, thanks for all these great denim ideas. You are a real genius.
Ah, thank you, Malia.
Malia Karlinski, Seattle Refined.